Right, so it's gonna be a bag for airline stuff. It'll clamshell open, so this and the airline will be able to lay flat. Yep. So I want to build it in blue. I've got the webbing links in here, so we can turn on the cutter and get that heating up, so we can cut these pieces of webbing.
There we go, cool.
Yep, roll it up in there. Bam. Yep, and whatever you want for the top flat, just, figure that out. And it doesn't have to like cover that top.
Yeah. This is going to be the front, and this is going to be the back, and the inside will be high visibility orange. And the other side of the inside, right here, will be Velcro, so we can attach small pouches to the inside of the bag. So the corners will help it sit up, and then we have all this fullness in here. See all that extra fabric? So I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna line them up and find the center, or a pencil, anything that marks thought is. Right now we have a bubbled out there. This is the front of our bag. So this will be the outside and this will be the inside.
That is how you
National
celebrate
Pizza Day.
National Pizza Day.
That's the way it's done.
So it was too big. We didn't want a plate in it, apparently. I cut a new piece that's shorter. Why am I doing this?
Because you're the woman.
Thanks. Okay. On to that.
Coming together.
It's perfect. It's like counting work. Everybody gets to stand up first and do it. It's looking great. Yeah, that looks like it's winning.
I'm not gonna sew it upside down.
Final seconds. Yeah.
You guys stress me out.
It is about to hatch.
Hurry up.
Put it on square, we'll be good.
I sew square bags. Come on. Come on. I'm trying.
Did you win?
I think so.
Oh, it's got a little twist.
No, it doesn't.
Careful, this is like surgery, right?
We just cut the binding off, and now there it is.
That sucker should fit in there, right? So my original thinking was we basically could come to something that looked like that, but we pretty easily could get one on each side if we wanted like that. I think that pretty well gets you everywhere you want to go. I'm liking that.